Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to capture your interest. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started, this video will provide valuable insights and information that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together. Music has always been a representation of human emotion and experience. It has the ability to connect us and make us feel less alone. However, with the advancement of technology and the increasing capabilities of artificial intelligence, one has to wonder, will AI wreck the music industry? There are a few things to consider. Firstly, AI has immediate creative usefulness. AI-based products, such as ChatGPT, are replicating creative results, including AI-created music. MuseNet can generate a backing track with up to 10 different instruments, ChatGPT can write lyrics, and Voiceful can have an AI voice sing the lyrics. With these tools, one can create a song without any human contribution outside of a basic prompt. Though it may not be a good song, it is mind-blowing that this is possible, and it's only the beginning. Secondly, any music that doesn't facilitate a relationship with the artist is at risk of being replaced by AI-generated music. Low-level sync placements, such as in micro-sync libraries, are already being largely replaced by AI-generated music. For example, instead of combing through a sync library to find a suitable background track for a YouTube video, one can just type the song description in, and AI can create a track in seconds. This cheaper and easier method will likely kill the micro-sync industry. However, AI will never be a person. Though it may get good at replicating art, truly meaningful music can only be made by humans. People become fans of an artist because they relate to the artist. They see their own lives in the lyrics, reciprocate the emotions expressed in the music, and feel a relational electricity with live session musicians. AI cannot replicate these aspects of music making. It is clear that AI will continue to have a growing impact on the music industry. It can be used for creative purposes and may replace some low-level sync placements. However, it is unlikely that it will replace artists entirely, as meaningful music can only be made by humans. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit the play button again to watch the video one more time. Thank you for your support and we'll see you in the next one.